Hey friends, Windows has introduced an excellent new feature in its build 25997. This has been released for the Canary channel and it will be available for other users in a while, so not immediately. But this feature is that it has included a refresh button for Wi-Fi. So I am on the Canary build, so let me check this. Click on the system tray and click on Wi-Fi. So we see Wi-Fi properties here. Now, after a few seconds, the refresh network list option appears. And when I click on it, the network list is refreshed, obviously. But in my case, it wouldn't get refreshed because the networks are all the same. However, if you want to know more about this, then let me tell you that earlier this refresh button wasn't there, but the network list would refresh itself automatically. But now you can do it manually just in case it is not loading. And here's a very interesting fact about the refresh button. Do you know when it existed earlier? It existed earlier with Windows 7. So we had a refresh button with Windows 7 as well, and people didn't actually notice it. So this is the best part. They have reintroduced the refresh button, and I hope that people will find this feature very, very useful. Let us know in the comment section if you're happy with it, and let us know in the comment section if you find it redundant. If this video gave you value, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.